We had such good times. You got me through some road trips. You got me through snowstorms. And 3 bad haircuts. And now 150,000 miles.
It's not dead. It just needs spark plugs.
Wait. What?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Let's talk about one of the biggest car myths out there. That once your car hits 100,000 miles or 150,000 miles, it's basically on borrowed time. That belief causes a lot of unnecessary panic and a lot of unnecessary car payments. So today we're answering the real question. How long can a modern car actually last with proper maintenance?
Here's what usually happens. A driver of a vehicle will see 100,000 miles on the odometer, and suddenly everything becomes suspicious. Don't be suspicious. The truth is, 100,000 miles on a vehicle is not the end of that vehicle. It's just a maintenance checkpoint. That's when manufacturers will recommend things such as transmission maintenance, maybe a check of the belt, the steering, suspension, or other fluids on the car. And it's not because the car is failing. It's just entering the next phase in its vehicle's life. With regular maintenance, today's vehicles can definitely last over 200,000 miles. It's very achievable and pretty realistic. And these vehicles are not unicorns. They're regular cars that's maintenance was prioritized and well taken care of. Mileage does not kill a car, but you know what does? Neglect.
Oh my God, it just hit 150,000 miles. I think it's tired. Do you hear that? Listen.
That's your water bottle rolling around.
So you're saying it's not the end?
No, I'm saying your car is fine and you're spiraling.
And here are some things that actually kill a car, and none of it's the odometer. Things like ignoring fluid leaks, overheating, grinding and knocking noises from the underside of a vehicle, bald tires, bad alignment, or just plain neglect of your factory scheduled maintenance. And you know what's missing from that list? Mileage. A proper maintained and taken care of car with 150,000 miles on it can sometimes be in way better shape than a car with 80,000 miles that's had years and years of neglect. So here's the big picture. Maintenance on vehicles, or even repairs sometimes, can be planned. Car payments are what seem to last forever. Typical car payments are lasting for 6, maybe 7 years now, and ranging from $600 to $800 at times. Some things need your immediate attention, but a lot of things you can plan out over the vehicle's life. If every time a vehicle needs maintenance, or you hit that psychological milestone of 100,000 miles or 200,000 miles or whatever it may be, and you start over with payments, you're just starting over the process of buying another vehicle and never investing in the one that you have. With proper maintenance, there's no need to trade in that vehicle on a new one. Restarting a payment process on a car is a really expensive habit that a lot of people get started with. A year of maintenance, and even if it's a heavier year where you've driven a lot of miles, usually costs far less than 1 year of car payments on that new car. You have to take everything into consideration. It's not just the principal amount on the vehicle. You're also paying for interest on a car loan, higher insurance rates, or maybe even a car warranty that doesn't even cover the repairs you need. And when you keep up with the maintenance and repairs on a vehicle, you're keeping up with the reliability of the car, the safety of the car, and sometimes even a better resale value on that vehicle if it has a good track record of maintenance and repairs. And that's how cars can make it to 200,000 miles and beyond. The key is to knowing what your vehicle actually needs and not just assuming the worst. That's where a high mileage vehicle check, also known as a vehicle health report at Miles, comes into play. This allows you to plan repairs, also plan for maintenance that's overdue or due in the near future, and decide if keeping your car does really make sense. And it's based on facts, not fear.
Mileage isn't a death sentence. It's just a number. Before you write your car's farewell speech at just 100,000 miles, let us take a look and give you real answers. If you want help planning smart, not emotional, stop by at Myles Auto Care Transmissions. We have 4 Berks County locations in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.